Guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to get inspiration in by far the easiest way through Midjourney, just using their website. So if we hop onto Google Chrome here, we search up Midjourney and sign in, there's going to be a small tab on the side here that says Explore. We're going to click on that, and right now I'm going to make some images of space shuttles. So space shuttle. And so when I search that up, you see all types of images, 3D renders, hyper realistic, kind of like editorial content. And then the easiest thing we can do, so I really like the hyper realistic one here. We're just going to click on that. And we see a lot more just like it. Oh, wow. Some beautiful images, and this one looks even the most realistic. So we're going to click on that. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to see Space Shuttle on pad. That's literally all he did. Q2 upscale. As you can see, a lot of these are from 5 months ago, and so they're maybe using version 4 or even before that. They look this good using version 4. We're ready to see how good it's going to look using version 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop it into Discord. And one of my favorite things to do now is use these crinkly brackets on the side here and do --s for style. We're going to do low style, comma, --s high style. Let's say 250. We're going to close the crinkly brackets, and then we're just going to do AR, and I think that was like a 5x7. Okay, so when you do that, it says, are you sure you want to do those two? And just for the sake of example, these here are the differences between high style, which I think turned out, low style, which turned out a little bit better in my opinion, and then high style, which it looks cool, but some of the buildings just don't make much sense. So as we let that load, we can check out some of my favorite images here. Again, using the low style. The reason I wanted inspiration is because I was trying to make some space shuttle pictures, and as you can see, some of them just did not turn out good at all. Some of the cinematic lighting ones did turn out pretty nice. In my opinion, it's kind of like the secret word that always works for you. But I just wasn't loving anything that I was getting. And so the best thing to do in those scenarios is just search it up on Midjourney, see what other people are doing. Now, unfortunately, the website is a little bit behind, like 4 or 5 months. But if you put that exact prompt into Midjourney now with version 5, you're just going to get something even better. So yeah, go ahead, try it for yourself. I'm going to put the images up now and tell me what you think. All right, so these are the images that just loaded in with the high style on them. As you can see, like these aren't even pictures you can get in real life. They are literally better than life. Everything looks pretty realistic, and I was able to get that prompt from Midjourney within a couple seconds just by searching it up on their website. Everything looks basically true to scale, true to size. The lighting's perfect. Film grain is accurate. Like, that's just beautiful. Again, that's using high style there. So if we look at the low style version, you like them? Which one's your favorite? That one? This is another low style variant that I made, and that one has no watermarks on it. So yeah, sometimes it's just the luck of the draw with Midjourney. Sometimes you get watermark over watermark. I actually tried doing -- no watermark and no text before, and the image just turned out like garbage. I think I was asking for food, and it just turned into like a pile of brown crap. Like, it did not turn out whatsoever. It didn't look edible. And that just made me think, like, okay, you really can't mess with Midjourney when it comes to watermarks, because you don't know how they're getting their pictures, but however they're doing it, you just got to play the rules. I think you should always, if you are getting watermarks, just change some of the words in there. If you're trying things like UHD, 8K, photorealistic, hyper-realistic, HDR, sometimes one of those words would have watermarks on it. But again, take those off, change them up, change the style, and maybe you'll get some very beautiful images. Yeah. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Again, quickly go to the website, and look to see what you can find. Find something that you find really beautiful. And then you can even scroll down to see some related ones and then get a lot of inspiration from those. Yeah, easiest way to do it, lowest effort to be able to see the maximum amount of variation all over the place. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you did like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping tutorials like this almost daily, so you don't want to miss that to be the best you can possibly be. Take care, guys, and have a good one.